Greetings everyone. Is snoring keeping you up at night, or driving your spouse insane? You are not alone. Data from a longitudinal study published in 1993 found that approximately 44% of men and 28% of women snore perpetually, so this problem is occurring in bedroom across the nation. If you are looking for a simple way to get rid of your snoring problems, search no more. Here is a simple proven solution that will stop your snoring once and for all. Ready? Sleepwell Pro Adjustable Chin Strap. This product was engineered to provide instant relief while you sleep, and according to Dr. Nick Schaefer, it is the only anti-snoring product that he recommended. Sleepwell Pro Adjustable Chin Strap is the only one that has ever worked for me, and I've tried them all. To learn more about this anti-snoring product, check out this website now, www.mikestopsnoring.com. You can also get there by clicking the link directly underneath this video. Once you start wearing this anti-snoring jaw support, your snoring will be ceased immediately. Type into your browser URL bar right now, mikestopsnoring.com, to learn more about Sleepwell Pro Adjustable Chin Strap.